Hey guys, how you doing? This is Algo Aspire here, helping you guys out in this video to show you how to set up your charts in order to make $1,000 a day. Here we go. I'm gonna walk you through. I'm gonna take my time a little bit so you guys I could be very clear and you can understand this in a way that it's elementary. So here we go. First thing you want to do is go to TradingView, and hopefully you guys could sign up to more than just the basic one. Um, to add in more indicators, because I think the standard is 3. But you sign up for TradingView, and let's just say you have only 3, but you could definitely going to need more to set it up properly to make at least $1,000 a day trading NQ futures. Um, the first thing I would say you have to do is uh, open up 3 of these charts panels, and you go up to right here, top right corner. Normally it's going to be on 1, just like this. Whenever you first open up TradingView, it's going to just have 1 window open. You're going to click on the layout, and you're going to click on 3, and so 3 will pop open, 3 different windows, and you can choose the different on each window you could choose different assets that you want to look at. But right here we're looking at a 15-minute we're looking at NQ. Over here in this window you could choose whichever asset you want to choose. If you double click on any one of these assets, it'll pop up on all 3 at the same time. So if I wanted to trade YM, I just double click and all 3 just change to YM. So it happens very quickly. Double click again and all 3 is right back to NQ. So we're going to walk you through how to trade NQ to make at least $1,000 a day easily. Now this setup, first things first, you're going to go to indicators. You're going to type in Jurik, Jurik, moving average. And as you can see here, Jurik, moving average, Everget is the first one you click on. It's going to be this line here that you see. I'm not going to click on it right now because it's not necessary. I already have it on here. It's this green line that turns into a red line. This is a trend. It's a trend indicator, moving average. Whenever the line turns green, it means it's bullish. Whenever the line turns red, it means it's bearish. Right, that's the first indicator you download. And I trade on the 1-minute chart. So in another video, I'm going to show you the strategy that I use. I want to right now just set you guys up on a nice chart to where it's going to make things a lot easier for you. So on this side, you're going to do a 1-minute chart. First thing you put in is the Jurik line. Next thing you're going to do is add in the support and resistance levels with breaks. And that's by, we're going to go hit the indicators, support and resistance levels with breaks by Lux Algo. Right there, the first one. Well, it's whenever you go to community, it'll be the first one. So support and resistance levels with breaks by Lux Algo. You're going to click on that. Let me give you the settings in a second on each one of these. I just want you to plug in these indicators first that I'm using. So you're going to set this up so you can make at least $1,000 a day trading NQ. So you got those 2 indicators on. That lookout algo with the breaks is this resistance line here and the support line right there. It's letting us know where price is going to be running to, previous highs and previous lows. If you guys are into the S&C, ICT type of trading, you'll be familiar with the previous highs, previous lows, highest highs, highest lows type of concepts. The next thing you're going to add in is the 200 moving average. Click on indicators. You could just type in moving average or just moving, and it's going to be the moving average, simple moving average is what you're going to click on right there. And then we're just going to convert that into a 200 moving average. That's this purple line there. And that's it. That's all you need for, oh, sorry. That's it on the chart itself, on the upper part of the chart. And now on the lower part of the chart, to where you see all these colors of the candles changing, that's going to be down here. It's going to be the heat map. You're going to go back to indicators. You type in heat map volume by X decal, which is going to be the first one. You're going to click on that one. You're going to click on that. I just put it a star so it'll be saved in my saving my favorites Well, I don't have to worry about that again, but it's going to be the first one. All you have to do is type in heat map, and it's heat map volume X decal. First one you click on. That's it. Done for that side of the chart. Then we come over to the middle one. You're going to change this into a 15-minute time frame. And on this chart, we're going to use, as you can see, premiums, highs, and lows. We also, sorry, that was the other indicator. Last one, smart money concepts. Sorry, I forgot about that one. So we're going to again go to indicators. You can type in SMC, and it's going to be SMC structures and fair value gaps. You can use that one. This is the one I use, Smart Money Concepts, SMC, by Lux Algo. That's the one that I use. And you'll see over here, Smart Money Concepts right here, Lux Algo, Smart Money Concepts. And I put a couple of them because this, whenever you only have one, it's pretty light where it's not very visible. So I'll put 3 of them in. This is why you kind of need more than just one, 3 indicators. But you don't have to. I just want it to be very visible for myself. That's going to show you premium, equilibrium, and discounts. This indicator is pretty fantastic. And so now you have the heat map, you have the value areas that you would like to trade at. And so now we're going to the 15-minute chart. Pretty much going to add the same things in. Same things. Only difference is we're going to add in this adaptive trend on this side. And that's here. Adaptive trend flow by Quant Algo. So we'll go to indicators so you guys can see. Adaptive trend flow, Quant Algo, right there. Second one. You're going to click on that. So you're adding all the same things that you did on here, except for the Jurek line, and you're plugging it in over here. So in order to just do it, you don't have to go back into indicator. You could just go over to here, and you could click on these 3 lines here, and go to copy, and then you just right click and paste it over here, as you can see, and then that same indicator will pop up over into this window. JMA is the Jurek. You just do the same thing, click on these 3 lines, copy, right click, and then you paste it into this window. And you do the same thing for over here as well. The next thing that you do for this one is we don't have to add in much stuff on this one. It's the adaptive trend that's going to be over here. So you just go to here, copy, hit those 3 lines, copy, and then paste it in. Adaptive trend will show up right over here. Next thing that we want on this one is the order block finder. Order block finder, bright. So we're going to go to indicators, and you just type in order block finder. And sorry, I hit the first one. So I'm going to show you. So I'm going to click it again. This one just says dark, but it's the same thing whenever you change the settings. So you get the bright, dark, whatever. I want it to be bright so it could be visible. But it's the same thing, order block finder. So again, you go over to indicators. Order block finder is the first one by Wu Gamlo, W-U-G-A-M-L-O. Wu Gamlo. I'll put a star on that for myself as well. Then we're going to add in the activity volume. This is pretty important. So we're going to go to Algo Alpha, indicators, and do activity. And it's the first one. activity and volume, order flow, profile. You add that in. That's going to be where you see bullish OB, bearish OB. That's the order blocks. Oh, sorry, that's not that. Sorry about that. This is this right here, volume, the activity and volume comparison. That's what that is right here. The order block finder is this one, bullish order block, bearish order block. It's going to find that for us. The price imbalance is really like fair value gaps. Again, go to indicators, and then you type in price imbalance, and it's the very first one by 20 pips. So you can just click on that, and it'll pop up. Same thing, just BNB done. Just want you guys to see it's the same exact one. I can remove that. So yeah, we got the price imbalance, you got the order block finder, adaptive trend, and then you got the activity and volume. That's just chart setup. This will get you $1,000 a day. Now I'm going to show you guys how to do that in the next video. So please subscribe and click on the next video, and you're going to see how the strategy is going to allow you to get $1,000 every single trading day trading NQ. But you could trade this strategy on any asset, but I'm going to show it to you on NQ. This is how I trade. This is what I use every single day, and I'm making my money every day doing this with this setup. Click on the next video. I'll check you guys on the next one.